He likes it.
Aww. Let's see if Coco remembers. Coco knows. She picked the one I think it is. Sweet. See. Likes babies. Oh, you're exhausted.
Oh, this one's trying pretty hard.
Hi, sweet one. Oh, you're the sweet one. Yes, they're all done. So done. Okay, guys. She got a good one. There you go. You're doing it. Yes, very nice. Good job. They're both doing a really good job. Oh, put on your head. Oh, Ron. She's asking me to put the kitty on her head. Yes, that's what you wanted.